Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add filter on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then at the top right of your screen, click the plus sign and click post and choose a photo from your camera roll. And once you've selected a photo, click next at the top right corner of your screen. And this is where you can add a filter to your post. So just scroll the filter options from left to right to choose a filter of your liking. So you can tap on a filter that you like to fine-tune its intensity. So for example, I like this filter. I tap that filter again and I'll adjust the intensity of the filter applied to the photo. There's also some magic in Instagram where you can see a magic wand at the top of your screen, and when you click that, it will automatically apply the best setting to your photo. So that's an example. So click done once you're satisfied and click next to proceed with modifying the post. And once you're happy with everything, click share to share your post with your friends. And that's how you can apply a filter to your Instagram post. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!